It's like I have shared the mail also to you.
Okay, no problem.
Just check the file once.
Yeah, you share the mail.
So actually what happened is, this is a Vodafone project from USA.
Mm.
Online portal, they're getting the information about the people who are having this recharge and all. Initially, it started with the recharge sharing in Oracle RDMS. So they are storing entire information in Oracle RDMS. From there, they are pushing the data into Scoop. I mean, this part from online portal to data gets pushed. So one of the is Oracle BRM, billing and revenue management. Okay, what are the revenue they are getting? So they'll get the information of. I mean, the 4 data sets will be there. One is for the process where the people are pulling the data. One is for the log files. One is for network sensors where the telecommunication process is going on, how it's going on as well. The details will be provided in it. And one is for business support systems, like when what kind of systems, what are the processes going on, network calls and all, where it's happening, and all this information. So this information entirely pushed into local Oracle RDBMS first. So once it was pushed into it, then through Scoop,
But
they'll pull it.
question number one is these logs and network sensor data. Most probably that is unstructured data, right?
Yes, unstructured only. It comes in form of JSON file.
Then how unstructured data will be stored in Oracle?
No, I think network sensor logs information, everything will be in BRM, Oracle BRM.
Correct.
Billing and revenue management.
Correct. I mean, how it will store, like in the form of databases, or because these are unstructured data, right? Oracle is a
Yes.
DBA, so which stores the structured data only, right?
It's actually data migration will be done from BRM data, I mean RDMS to HDFS. Customer chunk is from RDMS to HDFS, and log servers directly come from the websites. I mean, I was wrong about it. Online mediation is there. So here they will generate this information from the log servers. Hello.
Yeah, proceed.
Yeah, from log servers we will pull it to the Flume, from Flume to HDFS. So this data, whatever we get in the HDFS, so it will process to Hive. From Hive to Tableau, it will be used for visualization purpose. But you can just give it to the ML team also if needed. So it consists of 3 stages actually. One is for a data migration, data processing, data analysis. BRM is from business relation management, and next one is customers complaint, chunk complaint. Water complaints are there, network issues are there, billing purpose issues are there. So these are the things. I mean, previously there is like a postpaid and prepaid. So postpaid complaints, what will be there? So that information will be there.
Okay.
And regarding sensor logs information will be there, which will be processing in the JSON file. This is the details about the table format, BRM data flow, column name, data type, disk. What is the unique number of the BRM, customer number generated. So we need to generate this information actually. Account name, created name, modified address, cities, state, zip code, telephone, etc.
So all this data,
And the service wise,
who is providing? Like we are getting from Oracle BRM, or is it in unstructured format or sensor logs?
no, sensor logs will come at last. I mean, first it is like online portal. It will be shared in RDBMS. From RDBMS, it will to Steve.
All right.
So Oracle BRM also, Oracle Business Relation Management also will pulling from Oracle RDBMS only. So everything is stored inside only.
Okay.
And this one comes with respect to service complaints and the plans. What are the plans are available? These are service. I mean, what is the account ID, service, created date, modified service type, password. So type status of the service, data service or expiration. I mean, when the thing it's getting expired, what is the duration, how much duration is there? Whether they have done the research from long time or not. So these details we can get. Postpaid and all we can get it. And this one is for the plan. What kind of plans are there? Which kind of plans of people are using mostly according to state wise, district wise and all. So we can go in that sense. The purchase plans, most people are what they're planning purchasing. And this is the event where the account customer complaints and all, we can get it from where they're getting the currency, tax, amount, country, which country is there, most recharges are done from which country. So this is how the things are applied in this section, events. Enter this section. And this is billing information. future bills, account status, pay type, what kind of payments they have done, online payment or cash payment, credit card payments and all. So these are the Hive table actually, the schema to hold the data for the below
Yeah,
create
first
Hive
of
table.
all, what are the table that just so far we discussed should be present in RacDB, right? Uh,
Yes. So this is sample scoop command for it to create
okay,
internal import.
to import data from RDB MS to Hadoop.
And this is a sample data pipeline from import to the files which will come in the part form, part one, part two, part three, like that.
Yes, yes.
From there to HDFS target directory, and
Hmm.
this how the things go.
What is
The
that
scoop
exactly?
merge. What I didn't get
What
you.
other checks we will get we will do here?
Mostly the pulling the data from HDFS to Hive, scoop to HDFS, HDFS to Hive.
I understood, but here you written some diagram, right? Check first date, no, is something
I
like
mean
that.
it's a flow actually, flow diagram to pump the data.
Mhm. What flow exactly? I
Just
think
a
this.
second, I'll just zoom it out.
It's okay.
So once it was imported from the scoop, target directory will be created part in parts will form. I mean the different data will be divided into parts, 128 MB like that way
Okay.
in HDFS2. From there, HDFS target directory will be pushing it using the local timestamp. We need to create the timestamp according to, because it's
Okay.
the duration when the recharges have done and all.
Mhm.
And first the data will be pulled, it will check it where it can land in a where's the timestamp. Okay, it will just create the link for yes or no. I mean, S stands for the table name merge and all. If you want to merge something, then pull it here. If you don't want to merge, then pull the data into warehouse portal.
Okay, that I think we can change it this if we whatever we require.
Imagine. Okay. So
Okay.
this is one of the data structures in HDFS from data pipeline. Target directory, temporary directory for holding the data while merging the data, and merge the data to hold the new merge data, and scoop merge table, warehouse directories and all. And these are some of the commands for it. Step one, step two, exactly. Step three, step four, and
Okay.
next comes the customer check complaint. And after the sensor logs, logging server logs too. From network sensors, they'll pull the data to online mediation control. From there to web server log. From web server log to we'll pull in the HDFS. From
So,
HDFS, we'll write it into queries for it. And this is what the agent and I mean the consumer and producer.
okay. Do we have sample web logs or sensor data?
I think we need to generate maybe.
Yeah, yeah, I think we can get it from internet, but for that we have to have a knowledge on Flume as well.
Yeah, a little bit of knowledge is okay.
Mm.
And this is one of the table for creating the external table. We need to customer chunk logs and that. So we need to use actually the regex expression like that. Regex said I was not aware of this. Regex.
This is high table, right?
Yeah, I didn't get you.
This is high table only, right?
Yeah, high table only.
Right. Based on the
Yeah,
data,
we need to create.
we have to decide the number of columns and data types. Okay.
After that, this is one of the some of the use case of data processing and all, counting the list of activated deactivated accounts, capture the revenue that was generated, revenue for each plan, revenue for gained on business segments, payments wise, who is the best customer, revenue that was generated on each service, plans of expiring 10 days. So we can send the information to the people. I mean, it's getting expert. Please make the recharge like that way. It's like making them alert that service is going down. Calculate the company based revenue for corporate customers. Corporate companies will be taking the services. So what is the income we're getting it? What is the tax generated? So these are some of the things which we can form it as a use case. And this data analysis part.
Okay, got it. That's it, right? About
Yeah,
this.
that's it.
But you completed this project, or what
No,
was
no,
the
no, no.
status?
Actually, we got it in when I was doing my MTech. One of my professor has given this, and he said that I can make it as final project, but at that time we did not start learning it.
Okay.
So it has become late that later we did not move with it. We said that it's not possible because three modules whose data we need to generate it. So we are not aware of initial stage. So actually, I have done my MTech project with respect to the healthcare side. I'm not full depth, but the thing is, we have pulled the data from home, hospital, and office of the patient through the using TrueNet Qualcomm. I mean, just like
Yeah,
imagination mode,
yeah.
we got the
I
information and
understood,
all.
but is it possible to you to get the relevant data for this project, like we telecom? I mean, is
Relevant.
there relevant data means we have to use some data, right, to continue this project, right, to work on this
So
project.
actually, customer check I mean having in my Udemy course that PDF file I can give the data. I mean data where it is and all. I'll just search it and download it.
Yeah, you can
Customer
download
check
it. Also,
project.
you can refer Kaggle.com. Okay, Kaggle.com.
Vehicle.com. Okay.
Yeah, Kaggle.com. Kaggle.
Okay.
Kaggle.com, where we will find so much data for free. Okay, just search it, which data you want. So
Okay.
because since you know this project very well, right? I'm just
I know.
relying on you to get some relevant data to start work on this, because we have to
I know.
modify a
Having
little bit.
practical experience.
Yeah, we have to modify a little bit, like these diagrams and all, and then we have to, I mean, we have to accumulate our data, and then we will discuss the same thing in our project discussion. Then we will proceed how to do and what to do, and we'll do little changes here and there, so that
But doing everything as it is, you cannot do it. It's
yes,
difficult
yes.
actually.
Yeah. So, but this is good to work on, and it is worth also. We will do some modifications wherever it is required. Okay.
But thing is, I don't have practical knowledge
No worry.
of
No worry.
how the
No worry.
things work.
No worry. Okay. No worry. Next, your task is to collect the data. Okay. Source data, which suits for this project, so that we will try to work on in like we all together we will work. Okay, and there's no targets, right? We'll learn and execute, we'll learn and execute, something like that we will do. Okay,
Okay, sure.
but by end
Okay.
of the day, once you by end of this project, right, definitely you will also be satisfied, right? And also definitely you might learn by the time better than what you learned just now, or what you
Yeah.
learned so far. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
So I'll
anything
try to
else?
download the data from
Yeah,
the
download the data
Udemy
and
course also.
try to this document also better make it more viewable, and keep it ready for
Okay.
our day after day. I mean, on Sunday's discussion. Okay.
Okay. So mostly changes where I cannot do anything, I think, as of now. Once we look after this.
Yeah. Okay. If first of all you just get the data, okay,
Okay.
and we will sit and discuss each and every point. Then wherever changes required, then definitely we'll try to do it.
Okay.
First of all, we have to freeze our project requirement. Then only we can start the
Yes.
development, right?
And
So
and creation of log files also I can think we can generate with respect to another website like telecom website, something we can go and we can generate it is possible. Log servers and all. Or else like Kafka or something we'll use it to pull the data from different sources.
yeah, you just explore on that from where we will get it, especially on data side. Okay, and
Okay. Okay. Sure.
and the same thing will be discussed in our next call. Okay, so
Yeah.
that
Sure.
many people are also available in that call, so that everybody can help us to get the file data
Okay.
if we won't find it.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I
Thank you
think
very much.
thanks for that. I think this is very useful. It seems we will work on it. So what is that?
Yeah. One
Anything
more
else?
is there. We'll look after once again one more data project like
Mhm.
This one, BMS. Business Management System.
Related to which sector?
I'm not pretty clear about it.
Okay, Mortaja, I think at the beginning, right, you don't see many projects. First of all, we'll focus one. Okay.
Yeah.
Once we get the complete, hands-on on it, then
We'll go for other one.
yeah, other one if required or if the people are wanted really. Okay. So first of
Okay.
all, our fully focus on only one project, and
One project, telecom project.
and we have to do end to end. Okay, we will use many tools over here. We will use Hive, we will use Spark, we will use Flume, we will use Coop. Okay, sometimes we may use shell script. Okay, or
Yeah.
HDFS commands. So all we'll try to use, and if required, we can also use Amazon S3 bucket to load some data. So we if you do that right, we cannot say that is a mini project. It's a project. Okay.
Yeah.
With this knowledge and practical experience, definitely you will crack the interview. Or I can say full confidence. Definitely you will say right when you execute it.
Yes.
That kind
It's
of
their project is like real-time project only, not like small
good.
endpoints.
Yeah. It's not a small. It's a big thing. So
Three
definitely.
modules are covered here. Yeah.
I understood. So yeah, no worry. We'll do one by one.
Okay.
May take little time, but still, our aim is to get the perfectness in our project. And once you complete this project, right, it is very easy to, even after selection of once you place with a company, then you no need to worry. You can directly go on and work with the project.
Yes.
Right?
That confidence only will get it. Real-time project.
Yeah. That type of confidence we have to earn, right? So no worry.
We'll discuss about SDLC also, software development life cycle also if possible, because
Yeah.
non-IT people.
This we'll try to develop this project by using SDLC process.
Yeah.
Okay.
That gives exact scenario how the things happen and all to
Correct.
describe everything.
We'll try to implement this project in Agile methodology
Okay.
based on SDLC. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
So that our team will get complete knowledge along with this project knowledge, theoretical knowledge, functional knowledge, and then the latest SDLC process. Okay, so
Yes.
that
Yes.
they can crack an interview and they can answer the interview questions easily. Because nowadays everybody is using SI, right? So that way
Yes.
We are learning an updated version, right? That is very good news.
Okay. I will try to collect the data set and pull
Yeah,
back to
please.
the area once
Okay.
again.
We have to
Reach out to the
plan
mail.
it. Yeah, and you can also ping in our WhatsApp chat if you have still any requirement. Ask our team to get those data so that people are also very talented and they know from where they can get it. Okay, let all people know this so that everybody can contribute. Okay, and whatever we had a discussion in the last week and second session, that I am again going to upload now in half an hour. And those videos will see only members who have joined. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, Amortaja, please go ahead and try to collect the data. Okay.
Sure.
Right, Amortaja, anything else before close this call?
No, nothing. We'll discuss on Saturday and Sunday about this also.
All right then. Thank you, Amortaja.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.